Hi, this is Paul with your friendly review for the 2016 MacBook Pro keyboard. So this is the 15-inch MacBook Pro, seen here, and this is the keyboard that people have talked about. What they changed on it is you can see the amount of movement isn't a whole lot as you touch the keys. I did try out the MacBook when it came out in 2015, just in the store. I didn't actually buy one, and I really couldn't stand the keys. It felt like I was just maybe typing on a hard surface, and you couldn't tell when they really pressed. Where these keys, there is a noticeable difference. I've tried them side by side, and there is a bit of click to them that you can tell. So the other question that many people have had is it too loud? So I'm going to do a little typing here. So you can hear the different sounds that the keyboard makes. It's not really overly loud. I have this mic'd right now so you can hear it very well. It is interesting how the spacebar and the delete key do make a slightly different sounds. So I haven't been annoyed by the keyboard. I would say the one thing I have been more annoyed with is probably more this hard edge right here. So I do a lot of work where I rest my arms here, and if I don't have sleeves on, whenever I put them here, especially if I'm on the couch and I have this laying on a pillow in front of me, I'll have kind of little marks here on my wrists from this hard edge. I wish they would have beveled it just a little bit more and made it a little bit softer. Other than that, maybe the arrow keys take a little bit to get used to, but the keyboard is a pretty nice keyboard, and I would say that I like it. I've typed quite a few thousands of words on it already, and it seems to be really up to par with what I would hope, and I'm hoping I'll maybe even like it better than other keyboards. I will say once you move back to another keyboard, it does seem like they travel really far and they're a little bit mushy, but I've enjoyed this keyboard so far. Thank you for watching. This has been Paul with your 2016 MacBook Pro keyboard review.